Ross is the leading international supplier of high-quality ribbon blenders for dry powder blending. Many products including foods, chemicals, fertilizers, pharmaceuticals, plastics, pigments, and cosmetics are manufactured in Ross blenders. Powder blenders from Ross include ribbon and paddle designs and range in capacity from 1/2 cubic foot laboratory models to 515 cubic foot production units. A wide variety of horsepower and speed combinations satisfy the most demanding blending applications. Ribbon blenders consist of a U-shaped horizontal trough and a specially fabricated ribbon or paddle agitator. The ribbon agitator consists of a set of inner and outer helical blades pitched in opposite directions for fast and thorough blending. The outer ribbon moves materials toward the center of the trough, and the inner ribbon moves the materials toward the outside of the trough. Materials of different particle size and bulk density are mixed rapidly and efficiently, creating a homogeneous blend. A variety of discharge valves are available, including knife gate valves for simple and reliable operation. A liquid spray bar assembly can be used for evenly coating powders as they are being blended in the trough. Optional features such as sanitary designs and vacuum construction can be provided to fine-tune a blender to your exact requirements. The world's largest blender inventory is ready for fast shipment. Ross blenders are available for purchase or trial rental. Contact Ross for further information or to arrange for an evaluation at the Ross Test and Development Center or a trial at your plant.